If you wake up in the morning and find saliva on your pillow, you should not ignore that, because this is called salivation or drooling, and it might be a sign of something that requires a medical advice. A lot of people do not pay attention to it as if it's nothing at all, but this is not the case. Usually, it is an indication to a serious condition. Now, what are the causes of salivation and how can it be treated? But first, you need to support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. This means a lot to us. The causes of drooling. There are a number of causes that lead to salivation which we should pay good attention to in order to prevent it from getting worse. 1. Consistently sleeping on one side. Sleeping on one side pushes the fluid to run on the pillow instead of going down. 2. Tonsilitis, which is one of the most common causes of salivation during sleep. When the tonsils get infected, it results in saliva getting accumulated and dripping down the throat. 3. Acidity and reflux of the esophagus. Acidity stimulates the production of stomach acid to the esophagus, which leads to runny saliva. 4. Some medicines cause side effects, including salivation. These medications include antidepressants and morphine. 5. Different dental problems. 6. Sinusitis. Finally, how to treat salivation. Salivation may be the result of a serious health problem, so you should consult with your allergist, your dentist, or your otolaryngologist. Here are some recommendations that you should follow to reduce salivation. Sleep on your back. Support your head with a pillow. That is because the vertical position prevents salivation from spilling out of the mouth. Breathe through your nose and not through your mouth. Chew your food slowly and do not eat quickly. Do not eat spicy foods, especially before bedtimes. Lose some weight, especially if you're overweight, because weight gain causes difficulty in breathing, which causes salivation. Last but not least, we hope you enjoyed watching the video and we wish you continued health and happiness. Thank you.